Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to be showing you how to enable audio units in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started with entering all the instruments that you have right here. As you can see, you can open up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with enabling our audio units. So I'm going to open up the audio recorder right here. This is going to open up this new recording menu where we can get started recording ourselves, and in the upper left corner we can even see the edit menu with the tracks that we have. So this is our mixing mode and so on. So let's go back to the recording mode right here and say that we want to add some units such as our microphone. We want to go ahead and enter in the out units and so on, but they are not appearing right here. Basically guys, this works a bit different than the GarageBand application on your Mac, because on iPhone you cannot directly enable any units. What you can do is just connect them to your iPhone before entering the application. So if they're not appearing right here, you want to exit out completely from the application and swipe it up from your cache menu, and after that just connect your microphone or your audio or whatever you're using and whatever units you're using, and then enter in the application after that. And if they're connected correctly and are working, they're going to appear right here and you'll be able to use them normally as your microphone, your speakers and so on, but there is no other way directly to access them. So basically that's what you can try. So that's how you do guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.